Is there anything in particular in your background that led you to this current position? Was there an aha moment, in other words, that said, I think I want to be in the branding, I want to be in that control of, let's say, the message of a company and protect that brand, expand that brand? Was there a light bulb moment for you?
I don't know if there was one light bulb moment. I mean, I will say I mentioned that I thought I was going to be a lawyer. Well, then I decided to interview 10 lawyers and quickly found out I shouldn't be a lawyer.
All right.
And
That's smart.
yeah, I mean, and everyone said, don't do this. Mm-hmm. You know, you read all the time, it's laborious, you're not around people. So then I interviewed people in business, and it became very clear to me. Yes. Every day was different. It was exciting. They were solving problems. They were creating things from scratch. And so that felt more, aligned with who I am.
Yes.
Yeah. So
that's
that was
interesting.
That was one of the key stories. And then I did a lot of different summer internships. I did one where I was doing development for real estate. I did one where I worked in DC for a senator. And so that was very impactful too, because I learned I don't want to be in politics per se.
Yes.
But I loved the idea of building kind of brands and the message track and how you position, political leaders. Like the branding of political leaders was really interesting to me.
Mm-hmm. For more information on the innovations shaping our world, visit tomorrowsworldtoday.com, check out the Tomorrow's World Today Facebook and Instagram pages, or subscribe to our YouTube channel.